This home was updated and renovated in 2017. 2 halves double wide on large lot at end of the road, on the last road in the park. This allows for privacy. Pet friendly. Windows have been replaced. Wood laminate floors and tile were replaced in 2017. Subfloors replaced during renovations. Open kitchen with newer stainless steel appliances, raised panel wood cabinets, glass mosaic backsplash, and row system. This lovingly maintained home has many extras including crown molding, security system and newer fixtures. The closets are spacious. Outside are 2 storage sheds, laundry area which houses washer/dryer. Home provides plenty of space to enjoy and to entertain. When you buy in lazy days, you own the land. Low monthly fee of $155 includes rec facilities, common grounds maintenance, and trash pickup. Roof and AC are in excellent condition. Low-cost RV and boat storage on-site. Walk to the pool. Enjoy this friendly 55-plus community with 2 clubhouses, community swimming pool, shuffleboard, ponds, parks, nice landscaping.